Hey everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can share your Spotify Wrapped 2022 on Instagram. So if you cannot find your Wrapped, I have already made a video on this, but still if you cannot find it on your home page, all you need is just click on search and then you would be able to see 2022 Wrapped. And if you cannot see it over here, just type here Wrapped. Now you can see that 2022 wrapped is here, so just click on this. And now if you want to send it on Instagram or share it on Instagram, just click on share button at the very top and you will see an option of Instagram story. So if you want to share on Instagram story, so just click on that. I cannot see over here, but if you can see the Instagram story button, just click on that and you would be able to share it on Instagram story. And if you want to share with someone on Instagram, just click on Instagram and now you would be able to see all the contacts here. Just click on send and it will be sent to that specific person. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video.